Today I want to show you this. It's called universal card holder. I don't know why I thought this is called phone holder, and it's easy one touch 3. Okay, let's open it. This is one of the parts. This is basically the stand, and here is extendable. Make it stretch it longer, and you can adjust here. So, and here will suck on the screen or on the dashboard. Okay, it looks like very solid. This has to go in here. Okay, oops, I forgot the ring. Okay, so, and the good thing of this, I checked, there were 3 different holder in the shop, and this is the only one I can adjust the bottom here. And how this works, basically I have to release the phone like this, and as soon as I put the phone here, then it will snap. Okay, let's try this out. This is my Samsung Z Flip. So if I put it here, click. The good thing is all my buttons are here. So to release the phone, I just press these 2 and then grab the phone. There's another model in the shop. I try it out. It's just a little bit different. This one is when I want to release the phone, I press these 2 and then get the phone out. And that one is when I want to release the phone, I have to press there's a button at the back. And it sounds okay, but if you have the phone here attached, so when you want to release the phone, you have to reach out to the back and to press the button. So this is a moving part, so you have to hold the phone here, and basically you have to press on the display as well. I don't think that's a good idea. This one is much better. I can release the phone from both sides, and my hand is blocking the phone, so the phone won't drop. So I can grab the phone safely. Just want to give you a closer look here. So this one, basically you can turn it over and use from this side. Of course you have to turn this over, otherwise the phone will drop. And this can be extended that much, that's all. Oops, of course, now I have to turn this type. There's a maximum length. I think it's quite good for the price, but I need to put it in the car and test it. So this is my car. Let's have a look. I can put it in this position, and this is max where I can push through. That's the further I can get, because it's hitting the phone screen. But I think this is not a good idea because it's blocking the view from the driver's seat here. The other option is I have to turn it around, do it this way. Of course I need to face it, make it face up. Maybe this is the better option. From the driver's view, it's blocking less the traffic. So this is the view from the driver's seat of the first option. And this is the view from the driver's seat of the second option. Okay, now I stuck it and push the suction thing at the back. I leave the arm sitting on the edge, and maybe that's safer. So that's how it looks like from this side. This is the final setting from the driver's seat view. This is how when I need to release it and grab the phone, so it's safe. And after that, this is the view without the phone. So this was my Easy One Touch 3 extendable, and I think I've got the right decision to get this one, which is using the release mechanism from the side, so I can grab the phone from the front. And the rest I have to wait and see whether it dropped while I'm driving. If such thing happen, I will put it in the comments. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.